like crap.
It should be up.
I mean, it says I'm waiting for you for at 9:15, and it shows that it should start at 9:25 to 10:30, but there's nothing. It's just the picture on there. There it goes.
I was gonna say I just checked it. I was gonna say hit refresh. Good morning, Augustine. Always makes me think of that golf tournament. Yo.
Tim, Devin and I were talking this morning, and we just had to warn you. Be careful about your wife. Both of our ex-wives' name is Amanda.
Yeah. Well, mine's close to it too, so. mRNA. What the heck happened there?
I was watching that one earlier, and so did Pfizer.
But INO is up. INO is up.
That's a big drop, man. I'm not trading that, dude.
Yeah, like what? It literally made that huge move and then just gave it all back.
I'm watching Rock. Did Pfizer do that too? What is Pfizer? I can't remember.
PFE, I think.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah, that made a huge move up.
Maybe it was the old Wall Street bets.
Yeah, INO is the only one that's still up.
I think there's something out there right now, like a Discord channel or something.
That's doing what?
Yeah, like all these random pumps.
Oh, you think so?
It's the only thing that would make sense. Like, where are these coming from?
1 minute, boys. 1 minute.
It's like think of all the hedge funds. Oh no, there's no 1 minute. It was 1 second.
Oh, yep.
I just saw the time. I don't have the second thing.
But think of how many hedge funds could probably get away with pump and dumps right now and just blame it on Wall Street bets.
Yeah, really.
It was them. And then another day where the
Good luck,
market's
everybody.
not moving right now.
It's because everybody's putting their money into these meme stocks. I tried to tell you, man, all week the data like lags a little bit. There it went for me.
GME 400.
Oh, yeah, Jimmy just spiked.
Can't take that off the bell. Oh,
These are all on SSR. They're going to be dangerous.
an eye on RKT for now, even though it's not really moving.
BT is dropping.
Steve is literally going sideways. Wow, RKT, man, had all this volume and it's doing nothing. And like when I say nothing, I mean like it's not moving.
GME and AMC are running.
Yeah, those are the only two, and I'm not trading them today. I don't want to F with them, dude. I don't want to get caught in something crazy. I'm honestly afraid they're gonna start halting stuff. And I don't want to be stuck in some freaking stupid hold zone and get dropped on when it opens or something. You know?
Yeah.
Kind of move.
Well, GME just dumped. See if AMC does it too.
What dumped?
GME.
Their RKT went finally. What was, dude? Was that delayed or did that really happen like that? All of a sudden, that thing just, the bottom fell out of it. We're gonna halt. Oh my god.
Yep, COS halted down, GME halted down. I'm assuming AMC is probably gonna halt it. I don't have AMC up.
Buy this dip, but I ain't gonna buy this dip.
AMC is the only one that hasn't halted
Oh
down.
my god, RKT.
Yeah.
Oh wow, yeah, RKT later.
I ain't buying that dip, bro. Maybe I should. I don't know, man. That one's scary.
I missed it.
I'm too nervous about it, dude, honestly.
Dow Jones Industrial Average up down 0.7%, S&P down 0.6%, Nasdaq down 0.4%.
Yeah, dude, I'm too nervous on that, dude. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it, guys. Let's see. Man, Steve is halted up.
On volume,
I know it's popping. Let's got resistance up
Big
here.
thing.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's going up a lot.
Yeah.
Wow. You got halted up?
Steve got halted up.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I gotta wait for a minute here today. Figure out what the hell's going on.
I'm watching VXRT, but I was hoping for a push towards 1050.
No shorts here.
Yeah, we don't have shorts.
It's not ready just yet, I don't think. I think it wants more.
RKT going
Rocket
further
came back
down.
down.
What are you watching?
Rocket came back down. That little pop.
What, RKT?
Yeah, it didn't
Yeah,
really.
that's why I didn't dig it, man. I was just, I didn't like the way that thing was moving.
The Cat B's dropping.
ONCS on index spiking to high 763.
On those bottoms, I need a certain thing to happen, you know, like I need more like what Cat B just did, but that's not happening.
I needed to go more. I wasn't.
I need to see that wick form on that one.
I wanted a nice extension away from these two lines here. That wasn't enough for me.
Like that Cat B, I don't like it. ALUS. What's up?
DLSA,
That's good.
spiking here. Charlie River Sandy Kilo. DLSA,
I don't know what to trade, guys.
Steve holding on the circuit breaker. Alpha Michael Charlie.
AMC halted down. Jeez.
I feel like that was just a matter of time because of the other ones.
Yeah. I'm gonna pee real quick while this is all happening again.
And we sit on a circuit breaker.
Well, CANG just dropped and went to halt.
Well, I'm gonna keep Seeb up for now because I have a feeling Seeb's gonna be a trade.
SPWR is going up. An SSR though.
I'm not gonna screw with it then. Unless it looks like a great long.
No, I don't know. It could be.
Oh, it is breaking out. I mean, there's no taking it up here, that's for sure. Eshkin SSR shorted if he really wants to try that.
No, thank you.
You don't want to do SSR all-time high today?
No, I'm not really feeling it.
Widower. I hate it. I can't just trade it as I want, you know? I don't know. This freaking RKT, man, she's getting whack attack. Seeb open? Yeah, open and halted down. Cool. Big beautiful whales moving.
After a circuit breaker halt. And then halted again.
Well, we knew there'd be volatility today.
Sit on the circuit breaker. Tango Romeo X-ray.
TRX is halted up. No, it's not it. The TRX? I don't know.
TRX resuming
Yeah,
trade.
well,
TRX.
shorts.
That thing's It's headed down. Dude, I am so
GME's
lost.
still dropping on the open.
EXPR express resuming trading.
EXPR must have been halted down too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody's bailing on these frickin' trades.
Well, they can't buy anymore. You saw Tom's thing this morning, right?
Oh, Robinhood.
Yeah.
Didn't Robinhood say they were going to be able to buy them now?
Well,
Yeah,
you can if you don't have any, and you can only to a limited amount.
Oh,
Like you could buy 5 shares of GME. I mean, if
Yeah.
they massively made it smaller than what.
So it's not even like based on your cash in your account. It's literally they're just like you could have $1 million, but you can only purchase 5 shares of GME, and that's only if you don't already have 5 shares. Like if you already have 5 shares, you can't add more. Like that's total.
that's
You can add
ridiculous.
5 shares.
Yep.
That's crazy, man. I can't even believe that's illegal.
Again, somewhere in their terms of service, it says that it's perfectly
They can
fine.
limit how much you can buy of something. Or...
Yep.
Well, Tim, did you see? I was telling Devin earlier that the new Treasury Secretary, I don't know what her name is, one of the big hedge funds that was losing a ton of money, paid her $800K before she got appointed.
Jeez. Yeah, I heard you say it. That's so yeah, obviously the bias is going to be there.
You think she's really biased?
Well, 100% she's biased, but whether she actually does something about it, that's a different story.
She probably just viewed it as a nice gift and isn't gonna care. I mean, dude, politicians are always honest. CDTX. It's $2.55. We do have shorts on it. Once again, we're gonna get the cheapos.
Which one?
CDTX. I mean, it's starting now. It's got to see if it keeps going. But
There's like no volume there.
yeah, it doesn't have the volume yet, but it's coming in, picking up. Children.
Holy
Oh,
crap.
wow.
CANG, it was halted down, just opened up and halted again. And see, it opened 4103 and closed at 4104, down halted. Down.
What stock?
CANG.
That would be pretty frustrating.
CANG. It halted, it went down $1.40 in a second.
I'm lost, bro. AAL is just dropping like it's hot, dropping like it's hot, dropping like it's hot. I mean, like, what do I do with this?
Angle halted again on a circuit breaker.
I know, I'm a little scared.
GBR resumes trading new concept energy, Golf Bravo.
What is GBR heading down? Yeah.
Should be resuming
GBR is getting
about 40
smacked.
seconds, 30 seconds.
And Mustang holding halted on a circuit breaker.
This is just gonna keep. No, there it went. Spread's awful, dude.
Was it 60 cents?
I just saw 60-cent spread, and I'm not even looking at that.
$13 stock. That's crazy.
No, 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 no. SIED is gonna hold
It
down
was
again,
just
probably.
$1.
Huh?
It was just $1.
I quit looking at it. I don't care what it is.
Looks like it's going to halt up.
It can do whatever it wants, man. I ain't trading something like that.
That's crazy.
I gotta wait for this all to. I mean, if it doesn't level out, I'm cool. But definitely not looking fucking lose money on a Friday.
Eek.
It's ridiculous.
Oh god, look at this seed, man. Just dying.
So we're gonna halt again,
I
huh?
don't know if today's the day to buy the dips.
I don't feel the dips, bro. I'll tell you that much.
Maybe later on, but not right now.
Like, dude, that's just gonna halt. I mean, oh, you see, but then it pops, man. That's a hard one, dude. I can't buy those dips.
Well, at least we have shorts on that.
Yeah, I can't really short it down here either, so I can't do anything to it. Honestly, I wanted to see it push up to like 15 bucks for a short. I had a line drawn and couldn't do it.
Well.
Which way's KOSS halted?
Wish I would have started this now and not where I did.
Yeah, I think it went down 12 bucks. Yeah, it went
I
down
got it.
12 bucks a share. No, actually more than that. It actually went from 76 to 53.
This is that one with
GME's going back up now. That went down to 290. Now it's at 345.
Oh, it's halting too.
Started to
Jesus.
switch and gave me a heart attack. Thought it was in something.
Notable multi-year order for body cameras and EVLHD and car system for law enforcement. That's on their website, representing the Yankee. BGLY. Chicago PMI, 63.8. Estimate was 58.5 on the Chicago
The
PMI.
brother out, Vesh. What are we trading?
I'm in TRX, messing with that stupid thing.
The IRX?
TRX, the penny stocker, started it a bit early.
Wait, what's your average?
Should be fun. 112.
112?
Press release on their website, not moving much, $2.71 now, Delta $1.88.
DGLY is moving? Not one.
I would guess your unrealized is showing 83 because of the indifference.
No, I think it's because of that. I honestly don't know. Because if you look at the ask, it says 0. But yeah, I don't know what the indifference is. Last time it said 50 something.
So I was sitting there, I was like, oh, he's killing it. And I'm like, wait, it's halted. He ain't done took profit. What's going on?
Yeah, I don't know what it's reading there. When is this? Yeah, really. It's like, can I cover right now? It says I'm good.
The seed just halted up.
What?
Seed just halted up.
Again?
Yeah,
How do you trade that, dude?
it was open. Oh, that was open like 40 seconds.
No trades, bro. No trades.
Everything's halted.
LGHL keeps moving. Probably a low floater, I will assume.
DVAX looks like it's about to halt though.
DVAX.
David Victor Alpha X-ray.
Yeah.
DVX. Oh, there's shorts on that, huh? Oh, I got ugly freaking mobile lines, please.
this should be resuming here in 10 seconds.
Can't make my charts look pretty.
Well, dang.
TRX, Tango Romeo X-ray, Anthony in gold. Jersey is trading again after the halt.
I missed it.
I don't really know what to do there.
Did it
I mean,
work?
I'm obviously going to let it halt and see what it does coming out of the halt.
It came down, you know. It was up there at 60. It's
Might have to just
50.
fucking cut that thing. It's going to
But
suck.
it is slow.
Good old DHL, huh?
KLSS, TRX, Anthony in gold, halted again on a circuit breaker.
What is this TRX?
No clue.
I guess would be as good as mine.
Tanzanian Gold Corporation.
Gold company.
Interesting.
Deep concept energy resuming now.
Kind of went right to my line there.
I may have just gotten saved from a stupid trade.
What are you in?
I didn't get in it, but and I forgot to unlock my montage. So I didn't take it and it bounced on me. I was watching AAL. I was about to take it short and clicked the button and didn't get filled. I was like, oh, not locked. Thought I had conviction. My conviction died out a little bit. Glad I didn't get in there. I'd be red already. On this trade.
Just trying to play small, and
Got me out over 18. So.
TRX is like, you want to play small, huh?
I'm not out yet. I'm not out yet. It's gonna stop me out though, I guarantee you. I'm out. I gotta wait for something to really speak to me, man.
SI lead Seaver. Right now,
What is Seed doing?
$12.91.
Gonna hold down.
I am not long TRX. There's no green arrows there.
This has already been halted 3 times. I'm not gonna watch it.
I'll go with the charts again.
Okay, it's been halted 3 times. What did RKT do? Nothing.
Nothing. We didn't have shorts on BHAT. It's a lower dollar, but it's moved.
That's not.
Got the first fill there.
BAHT?
Yeah.
BHAT?
Yeah.
BHAP?
Yes.
That's it. They're not shorts on that.
No.
shorts on DGOY. But that thing sucks.
Should have just hit that one, huh? Thought it was gonna make a push.
Get you online now, the press release now on the wire service.
And the 9-4 should be unhalting here. Here we go.
I don't know what to do, guys.
Sit on your hands.
That's what I'm doing. I mean, not physically, but mentally and emotionally.
TRX and Indian Gold.
I mean, shit. I don't think I can do that. I can only do this one more time. I'm gonna have to cut this thing.
Man, I'm glad I didn't get in this chalk fest of AL, dude. I would have been pissed.
Stopped out there.
There's PZG. Looks like it's gonna halt up.
What's the price on it?
$1.50. Yeah, sure. So it just went from basically $1.10 to $1.50.
It's a good move. I just fucking hate the cheap ones, man. I freaking hate the cheap ones.
Yeah, I'm not thrilled with them either, but
Guess we're gonna take a big loss on this one.
My charts have such range that they're making them look funky. And
I was trying to wait for one of these to come out of a halt and smash it, but they just keep halting up. It's gonna look pretty bad. I mean, literally, nope. Just straight, literally straight up. Halt to halt to halt to halt. And let me scroll back here, I guess, on the daily. See if there's any lines we can draw. I mean, we're kind of at one right here. Another one right here at 210. Not again till 250. I think that 210 one's gonna have to kind of be our our line in the sand.
Yep.
You watching that one, Thomas?
I just switched my scanners to $0 on my low end just to give me something to look at a possibility, dude.
Dude.
I thought it looks just like TRX.
You mean the one that just literally keeps going halt to halt to halt to halt that I'm stuck in? Not stuck in, but
Yeah, that one.
Oh crap, dude. Are you kidding me, Mash? You've been adding to this?
no, I haven't. Not since $1.30. I was waiting for some sort of sign that it's gonna come down to smash it, and there has been no sign. Yeah.
I can't look at those, man. Like those faulty stocks drive me nuts, dude. I
Yeah.
don't like them long for it. I just don't like them.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of them either. I mean, I was looking to get out of it after the 130 halt, but then it opened up and went higher, and it's like, well, let's see what it does. And then this time it's like, let's see what it does. And I mean, I have my line in the sand kind of at 210. It's gonna suck ass, but
SIEB is the same exact thing, dude.
you know, just going up.
Hold. What's it gonna do next? I don't know. Hold.
SIEB? Oh, off the bottom. Yeah, I see it.
Well, it halted down, and now it's halting on the way up.
Hold it up, hold it down, hold it up, hold it up. Now it's probably gonna hold up again at 27. If it gets up now. Not my trade.
Yep. Oh no, it's close to it.
Shall see
Hasn't
what it
halted yet.
does. Got about a minute.
I can't trade that, dude. I can't trade a long short.
Apparently I should have switched along, huh?
One of those days where I gotta keep telling myself that is not you. Don't look at it. Because you know there's gonna be a freaking moment on that chart that's gonna be me, but it's not me doing that.
It's hoping for a push through 480 there. Volume's a little light. I guess all of our focus here for now is on TRX, see what this thing does. Man, this thing's nuts.
Is your thing still going straight up, dude?
Wait, we cannot accept.
TRX.
Oh shit!
It's
God
starting to come down now.
damn it! I tried to get an ad there, and my limit price was so far away, it didn't give it to me. I don't understand why it does that.
What is this stuff?
TRX. Oh, PVG opened up and it's dropping.
That's annoying. We should have had an ad there at 180.
Hold on, let me turn this guy down. I really can't hear you guys. Alright, tell me again.
PZG. It's already coming down.
I tried to hit an ad. That was so gay. I tried to hit it at 180, and it said my limit price was too low.
That doesn't make any sense.
I mean, it does that. I don't understand why, but it does. It's like if my limit price is below the current price, like fill me. I don't care. Fill me at the best price. Like I'm
Yeah,
confused.
like you're supposed to.
Yeah.
AAL looks like a short to me here, but dude, honestly, where it is on the daily, just
We cannot accept an order at the limit price.
yeah, it could go down to like 1690.
I know it just says like you put in or whatever.
Calling AAL at 1690, but I'm not taking it. It's not a for sure bet. I don't want for sure bets today, dude. This is not. Definitely don't want to screw around it.
CCIV is running. No short though. Just went up a buck. Now it's coming down.
Well, most uneventful morning I've had in a minute. I thought yesterday was pretty uneventful for a while, because I was waiting for the market to kind of figure itself out.
I'm starting to think maybe just for the future, like instead of just waiting, because that's my plan for this, is to just wait and try to hit the backside. But should my plan, like maybe after like going into, I'm not saying specifically the third halt, but even just like a halt after an ad kind of thing, like maybe when you realize it's going to halt going up again right out of it, maybe to cover like half, like to just recycle shares. I mean, I'm just something I'm pondering, like as I'm sitting here messing with this.
So it went from 290 to 360, and then now it's down to, well, now it's back, it went down to 305.
Hopefully
now
this PZG is
bouncing
an
between
indication of
305,
what this one's going to do.
310.
Logical.
It's going to take a couple of halts for it to get there, though. That's the problem.
Dude, I don't think that's that good. So, you know what you do when you don't see your trade. As Thomas says, you sit on your hands.
I think the play here is to try to add out of the halt, and then if it tries the halt going back up again, to cover those shares.
My trade will come.
This definitely went a lot further than we expected.
Alright, all out of PZG.
Oh, you got it? Good.
You got to grab that right out of the halt, or you grabbed the end of the halt?
No, I got in after it opened. I missed the top. Phil gave me a shitty fill, like freaking 10 cents left, but I made money on it.
Obviously not a huge winner, but is what it is. I'm like,
Wow.
God, I really don't want to lower my scanners down to $1, dude. CIED is continuing higher.
Just got about a little less than a minute.
Which one?
CIED.
You mean SIEB?
I mean SIED, sorry.
It's gonna halt up again. It was crazy. Oh, maybe it's not gonna halt. Nope, it's not. It's not right there.
Push it back up to highs, I guess.
Let's see where this opens. Here it goes.
Way the hell up here. 29.
Oh, jeez.
I was trying to short it and I didn't get it.
That's another one like the other day. I zoom out and it's like it doesn't look extended, but because of the range is so ridiculous.
I can't take that one, dude. I'm a professor. Got that one pre-market. I didn't get what I should have, but that's just crazy.
It's not gonna let me. Shit.
Yeah, see,
I tried to cover 100 of that, but it wouldn't let me.
Yeah, I know. Well, I saw it actually. The red candle starting to go down, and tried to get into it, and then I waited longer than I normally would have, but waited too long.
I feel like it gets spready when you want to get in, you know?
If this is in the 15s, I mean, I would have been. I think 1836 is where I tried to get in,
Yeah.
but oh well.
It's our hard market today, dude. That wash sucks. What I have to look at.
Now it's in the 15s.
Halting down. Dude, Steve was short that at like $27 or something, and or $28 in free market.
And he didn't hold the trade.
He did not hold the trade all the way down. Man. That's only when it goes against him, like we talked. Me and Steve were talking. Like, hold the trade's only when it's going against me. EA2Bs apparently. Fine. Dude.
Would have been much better if we got the ad up there. Might have even been able to get out of that there. I don't know for sure.
I only got my hand on the mouse because nothing for me to do. TIRX, is that Vicious?
He's TRX.
TRX. Now it holds it up.
Yeah, it came down, now it's also going back up.
Ugh, fun times.
Dude, you did not think you were getting into this, did you?
No, it was quite the opposite. I thought I was playing something just small to keep out of trouble. Watching a CCIV needs a lot more though.
Yeah, we don't have short.
Yeah, no shame.
It needs a lot more anyway for me.
Would need over 24 at least.
Yeah.
If I was gonna short it.
Yeah, that was a minimum for me.
Yeah. The ATB is probably gonna come down here.
Good morning, Calm
Which
and
one?
Sleepy's Therapy.
No shorts. CATB. It's coming
Oh, yeah.
down. I feel like that was the top. I don't think she sees 515 again today.
Tom is asking for the imbalance on RHE.
RHE.
Yeah, my screen doesn't show it. It just says trading pause.
Yeah, nope, nothing.
It's weird.
Man, this sucks.
This should be opening up.
Sadly, disappointed by.
Oh no, we still got 50 seconds.
Right now. RPT was one I was watching earlier.
Oh boy. Guess we'll see what happens here. I'm definitely not really planning on letting this go back up.
Craziness is kind of dying out or something.
Definitely gonna have to get out of some of this if we have to.
CATV broke out? No. Still feel like that's the high, dude. I don't think it's going higher.
Again? It's not
What are you
shortable
watching,
now.
man? Lance? What are you watching?
I got TRX slam down to $1.10. Go, bitch.
It can't, unfortunately.
Like it literally
I can't see the whole front.
It won't even let me short anymore, I don't think.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's out of shares. And obviously a down halt would be nice here.
Yeah.
Feel a little better.
It's the whole price.
133.
What's your average?
125.
125. Come on, there you go, drop.
Gets you
Right
view
there.
active.
Yeah.
Obviously, you're looking better.
There it goes, there it goes. Halt, bitch. Halt down. Well, just ride the halt and then keep going now. That's even better.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
The only downside about a halt is it gives people time to say, okay, do we buy out of the halts? If it rides halt, that'd be awesome.
Ride the halt. Ride the halt. Did it move? No. Damn it. Damn it. Just up one tick. Up one tick. Let it move. Come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna be okay with this. I think I'm actually gonna move my orders down now. Look at where my orders were too. 124. I was gonna just take some off to get reduced size, but now I'm gonna put them lower, just to see if we can get that big pop out.
Definitely, definitely. She wants to go to her home down at 80 cents.
I feel like the Hulk prices are like.
Are those 150, 150 or 100, 100?
It was 100, 50, 50, and then 100 again. I'm just annoyed that I didn't get my ad up at 180. This would have, I would already be green, obviously.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely. Well, I was referring to your take profits. It's 150.
Oh,
150.
it's 200, 100.
Gotcha.
I just got some Aceeb.
I knew you probably traded that. I'm waiting for the short on that one, to be honest, dude.
I didn't know where I was gonna go with that.
You got out of there going with the Hulk, I assume?
Yeah, yeah. I clouded it all.
I was watching, but I'm literally, my head is telling me short this fucking, this freaking stock. YouTube land, we are pure and innocent here. CATV.
That's weird.
Where I thought it would go.
Are you close to your average on TRX, Tim?
Yeah, it's 125, 333333333.
So you're close.
Yeah, I put my orders down with the intention of it possibly opening down, and then I'm planning on probably just not letting this go back against me too far.
Yeah.
Technology with no purchase order with three mining companies to keep their computing power.
And my average would have been 134.67 if I would have got that ad up at 180, which would have been much nicer.
Of course, right?
I freaking hit the button. Like, I have proof I hit the button. It just says, I don't understand why it does that, but
What did it do?
if your limit order apparently is too low, but like if it's too far under the current price, it won't fill you.
Really?
Yeah, like the price was at 180. Obviously, that's where I was trying to hit it. But I had a limit order from where I put my take profit in, like way down at 112 earlier when I was obviously trading it down there. And I guess because it was such a difference, it said we can't accept your limit order because the price is too far away. Which makes no sense, right? Because it's like if I'm hitting my limit order underneath the current price, just give me the current price.
Yeah.
Like why would I not want that?
Yeah. Why would you not want a better deal?
Yeah. Which is the case. Like if I'm usually like 10, 15 cents under where the price is, and it fills me no problem. But for some reason, if you get too
limit order in that market.
well, yeah, but most of the time it's not an issue. But for some reason, I guess it is an issue if you get too far away from it. But this is about to open in 16 seconds, so let me try to concentrate a little.
Put it up on the chart so I can show you on.
Yeah, I'm looking, if it doesn't go down and hit my take profit, I'm looking to at least cover half right away. Hopefully it opens down.
Definitely cheering for you, bro.
Yeah, it took half there to be safe.
Covered some for small loss.
Yeah, I could have got out for a very small win there, but I took half off to be safe. Wait a minute.
Go down.
Did I hit not? I hit. Oh man.
Where you cover all?
I hit the 90% button and not the 50% button.
Oh, are you serious? So you're on 10% of your shares?
Yes.
Well, right now it's going up, isn't it? No? Not really.
That's frustrating. I would rather still be in half size though, regardless.
No, it sucks.
Saibi opened up a little higher.
Did it?
Yeah. No, it's just jump. I think it's gonna drop right here, but
It's an unpredictable one, dude. In my mind. See?
yeah.
It's just unpredictable. I can't predict it. You can. More power.
So many
Yeah,
mistakes on this trade.
Oh, look at her, dude. So unpredictable.
It just dropped and halted down.
Yeah.
I mean, yes, it's obviously working in my favor, but the fact that I hit the wrong button
When
is
I-
just
when I got
annoying.
in it was actually a little
I've,
more normal.
this isn't the first time I've done this either. Like, I hover over, and then I guess just over time I tend to, like, drift. So,
That was,
very
that was a
frustrating.
little scary. Well, I thought it was gonna go down. I guess I was right, but
Yeah. And just the way it trades is insanity. It doesn't trade like a normal stock.
no.
All that, all those halts, man, that's just such a big red flag to me. Just means the volatility is way too much, you know?
Yeah.
It's not controlled. And that's the only thing I will say that I agree with, you know, the Wall Street side of things, is I do prefer a controlled market. But, you know, the way GME was moving up was controlled. I mean, until they screwed with it.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it was controlled going straight up. I mean, it is what it is.
Well, it would go up. It would make it drop. Then it would go back up, and it was a predictable insanity.
It's a normal chart.
Like kicking yourself now, Tim, huh?
I had it back in a little.
Yep.
And all out for what should have been my original, probably, P&L.
Yeah, I was sitting there watching that delayed, and I was like, I would just be getting out break even. I would be so frustrated right now. Just
I'm pretty
I wanted to do it.
frustrated. Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty frustrated, but I tried to not let that completely get to me and tried to make the best of the scenario. But I'm still obviously frustrated in how I traded that. I learned a lot from it, though. Like, I learned that my plan of just waiting out of a halt like that might not be the best plan. Like, I had a plan, but I'm starting to think that that might not be the best plan. I'm starting to think maybe if I add into a halt, whether it's the first, second, third halt, no matter what, but if I add in at the top of that one, looking for it to be near the top, if it tries to open up and go higher and goes right into another halt, I should probably cut at least those shares I added. Like, I should be doing something there. I shouldn't just be letting it halt after halt after halt without doing anything. Definitely something to think about. I mean, I still had my line in the sand up there at 210, and I mean, it would have sucked ass, but thankfully it never got there. And then I obviously didn't add at 180 like I wanted to. But it all worked out, and as long as I can sit down and actually learn from it, that's kind of what matters. And I got bailed out of it, so it is what it is. It's better be lucky than good any day, right?
That's what they say.
push.
Huh? SCNS. No sorts.
Not my proudest moment there, chat.
KT doing nothing.
But I'm also not
AL.
that upset with it. There was a lot to learn from it as well. Man, this would have been a great short there.
What are you watching, Lance? Still SIED?
Alrighty. Well, avoided some danger there, right? It's all unrealized until it's realized.
Oh,
Halt to halt to halt. And then it just halted going down.
Diamond hands. That's going to be like a new phrase for a while.
the problem with this SIED, it's just, I don't know what it's gonna do. It's gonna halt. Which way? I don't know.
Thanks, Augustin. Yeah, that was a tough trade. It was a really tough trade, especially making mistakes along the way. I do think we can improve this somehow, though. I really think going into this halt here, this one, at 152, I think we cut at least half our shares there. And then we can wait, right? Because then we can really smash when there is a top that's made. And it allows us to go a little bit further because our risk tolerance is now less. Where if we just keep these shares, you know, it's obviously compounding up. But if we can cut those shares off and recycle them, we can get a much better average. And then as it's coming back down, we can also add in as well. And it'll get our average up there. And, you know, the shares will work better for us at that point. I really think that's something to add into my notes for today because we really, I don't see how this can be an edge at all. Just waiting, right? Because what if it just keeps going up and then if you have your line in the sand, say at 210 like we did, then you're just going to cut it, right? But if you would have cut some down here and then it does that, at least it's less, you know, pressure on yourself.
I think so.
Dang, look at you.
That's what I just said. UU's gonna mate to 1988 today.
Sorry, didn't hear you. Excuse the burp.
Weight Watchers are popping. Oh, I'm tired.
I guess it does say 85 for each. Doesn't it look like this one's just a little bit higher?
And this IED is probably gonna halt again. Nope.
I had ETM up too. Just missed that pop, huh?
Which one?
ETM.
Oh my god.
That was
dude,
a
this market.
It's like I want to chase it, but I feel like that's half the move I would already be looking for.
Yeah, dude. It's not like super duper extended.
I mean, that's a good move, but 530, I have my line sitting here at 488, so it's like that's already half the move I'd be looking for. I don't even know. Why do I have that line? Oh, that's off the hourly from yesterday. That's not even yesterday, is it? That's the day before yesterday. Is that all-time highs, too? I literally went a little over it. Oh, it's not all-time highs, though. It's a really big area on the daily, though. Straight across, 520 area. Yeah, that would have been a really nice short now that I'm looking at it. Oh, there goes TRX. Oh, fucker. But yeah, I'm plenty fine with how that thing played out.
Long CATB. Some.
Yeah, I probably should have been in ETM here.
Push here.
I even had it up from when it came up on the scanner down here, but I remember drawing this line and saying it would have to blow through it. And I was kind of talking about TRX there. Kind of missed that one.
Either, dude. Jeez. Dude, this market ain't my friend, bro. This is how you do it. CATB, that's got the volume, man. That's the one with the volume today, that's for sure. Like, rat fucking trade on it. Seeing anything beautiful, Vesh?
That's a big negative. I'm a little annoyed at AAU. It stopped me out of my leftovers and decided to do what it's doing. That was kind of annoying.
Did I miss anything?
No, not really. ETM, do you guys have shares on that? That was.
Of course.
Yeah, I'm a little annoyed I missed that one. I was talking about TRX. I even had the chart up. That's the worst part.
No, it was gorgeous. Extended, had some resistance right there. Pretty much stopped that.
Oh, did you look at the daily? Like go way left? It was a beautiful line.
Yeah, I'm back to
Yeah.
17.
Yeah, it was frustrating. Wish I would have seen that.
Yeah.
I took it off my chart. I don't even want to look at it. Nice. Nice, Augustin. Hey, money is money, man. Green is green. Every day you're learning, too. So even though those 5 trades were small, that's 5 trades to put in the bank of knowledge. A lot of people don't understand that. They're like, ah, today was crap. You know, I didn't make the kind of money I wanted to make. And it's like, well,
CATB.
it's all practice. It's all setting you
Long
up
take
for
it.
the future.
NKTR.
It's all screen time.
Yeah, I'm watching. It's gonna halt.
I'm all out. Break even.
Or maybe not.
Can't get the breakout on that one, dude. That's 2 times now. Two times now, dude. I'm like nervous.
I
today.
can't trade this. The volume is so bad.
Yeah.
I am having trouble getting momentum. I'm looking for.
Yeah, I was hoping the volume would jump up higher than that.
What stock?
NKTR.
NKTR Nectar?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be higher than that. CATB is going to try to go. I just have trouble finding it. No.
I'm in it.
What's up, Justin? Kind of went for a ride. You missed it.
Come on. You know what I did. Push. Why does this thing
What are you
struggle?
hitting?
CATB, this thing struggles so bad to go up. I'm all out, dude. I'm done with that thing.
It's art. What are you
can't-
talking? It's already up. It's at the highs. Like, what else do you?
I want it to fly. It isn't flying. It's going up 20 cents down. 20 cents down. I want it to fly, Bash, is what I want it to do. Look at the volume it has.
Fucking
Why is it
greedy
flying?
asshole.
What's wrong with the stock?
Holy shit! I wanted to do what every other stock's been doing this last week.
Exactly. I wanted to do what a stock with 90 million in volume should be doing right now.
But then that it has. It's only a 20 mil float too. What the heck?
There moves. I've made money on that, but as I'm crawling up on it, Nectar would have worked, man. Look at that thing.
Yeah, but that thing was all one shot because of the volume, and the spread was real bad when it dropped. The ask had just come down. I was watching it.
CATB's trading like a damn grinder.
Yeah.
I just thought
Yeah,
that
they were like, we'll show him.
Really give a freaking push up, man.
Yeah, that was I don't know if I showed you the chart.
I'm getting it.
I don't even, why did I draw this 175? Oh, because I was no, I don't even know why I drew that line. Oh, I see.
That
It's
worked
on
out a lot
off the
better than I
daily.
anticipated.
No. Just get rid of them. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, that was our ride. It was a 1, 0.5, 0.5, 1. And then we covered more than we thought here.
Which one?
So I actually added some back
It's just some of the
and then
volume.
got the rest out.
Nothing.
I meant to cover half my shares here, and I was hovering over the 50% button. And I guess as it happened, my hand drifted down and I hit cover 90%. This was right at my average, so I was just looking to reduce risk. And then I was looking for the bigger drop with half of my shares. But actually, I think, what did we? No, we actually lost 2 cents on that. We covered at 129 these shares, and then we added back at 127. But it worked out. We were down quite a bit on that one. As you can see, if I scroll all the way out, we had our line in the sand right up here. Just the line. It was a line off the daily. I mean, after sitting in that many halts. But I do think we have to adjust our strategy when we get into something like this. If we add here and then it wants to halt up that next time, I think we have to reduce there. Definitely something to think about. Yeah, it was a lot of halts. What is AMTX doing? No thanks. I'm not messing with SSR today. I'm just not
What is
doing
the
it.
ATV doing? Why do I still hear it going off and it doesn't look like it's doing
It's
jack?
going high of day.
It's barely moving.
It is a high of day scanner, right?
No, not really, dude. They do it because it's the kind of momentum.
Well, it's flying, as you would say.
Yeah, now it's finally moving. I'm not in it.
Wait, are you okay?
Huh?
You're not like flipping out right now.
Me?
Yeah, usually you'd be flipping out right about now.
I hate the way it's trading. Something doesn't trade the way I like it, and I don't get FOMO'd about it. If it trades the way I thought it would, but right after, it still doesn't trade the way I like it. It's all over wicks.
NCTY is running, but we don't have shorts on it.
What is?
NCTY just went from 1460 to 1579.
Oh, that's from the bottom. Huh?
I'm not messing with that.
Yeah, it's not my favorite. Either way, long way short. No. I'm in a very small trade that is kind of working.
Which one?
Seed short. Spread is so booty, man. I'm gonna take that, dude. I got a decent trade out of that. The spread sucks. That one might go in my favor too, but 1206 is. Ugh. There it goes. The spread just got me out of that, dude. And I got a bad fill on my entry too.
No, thank you.
Not a bad one.
So you're off today, right, Justin?
There goes CATV. Now it's pushing like I wanted it to. That's the push I was looking for this whole time. There it is. Hey, I finally did it. That's the push I wanted that whole time, dude. But look at those candles.
Definitely can't short this, that's for sure.
What's that?
Definitely can't short this. 5x rotation already. 20 mil float.
CATV?
Yeah, 20 mil float. Already over 100 mil. No, thank you.
Yeah, that's a long bias trade in my opinion.
Could be worth like a look at the eventual backside.
You don't have shorts, or you do?
I do, but I'm not shorting the front side. be hesitant to short the backside just because of the float rotation.
I'm in seed.
Short or long? They're like, which direction you go on that thing? I'm like, where'd you go? I like that thing finally had a little breakout. That makes me, I mean, cause, I know this is kind of breakouts, but it wasn't on that big push yet, you know?
Yep.
This CATD. Finally got that freaking beautiful volume, that push volume. I was trying to get in before that this whole time, dude. I mean, I'll post my trade in a second, but I gotta see if I can figure out this. I'm not gonna get out of here. Am I? Oh, I should have gotten up here. No, I shouldn't have. I'm just gonna post this trade because I'm not getting up here. This trade is not for decent numbers. They're all small wins.
GLBS if you have traders.
GLBS? That's what's gone down on CATV for
Golf
the day.
Lima.
One more red candle here, that would be cool.
It's a good idea to change all of my buttons to all of my shares buttons to market orders, because if I'm looking to get in, I'm gonna want to market in, but at the same time, if I'm looking to add, or if I notice the spread when I'm looking to enter, I can always use a limit order. So it's definitely, I think, something I need to change. It's actually a good point, because I mean, I've noticed now that I'm trading a lot more tickers that I've had an issue a lot with missing entries, because like I'll hit the button and my limit order will still be higher than where the price just, you know, went down to, and it's like a couple of cents, but then it keeps dropping and then I miss the trade completely. So I do think that's something I need to change.
That looks pretty good.
CATV. There it goes. Up somewhere, geez. Too unpredictable. I'm all out of that one. Decent trade there. Most I've got out of that stupid thing all morning.
I'm just freezing today. I think it's really messed up that Interactive Brokers isn't telling people which
What I found is that CATV
tickers you can and can't trade.
What?
CATV is not my favorite stock.
I'll be right back.
BRB, BR here, BRH. I'll be right here. Level coming, level go. What do you feel? You feeling?
Yeah,
back
for
in
sure,
my
Justin.
CATV, Vash?
That was why I asked you. No.
No, I wouldn't be. I wouldn't be.
What is going on with all the shipping companies right now?
Are they moving?
Yeah. Tops,
like
ships.
E-Dry, yeah. Oh, E-Dry, we got shorts on.
What do we got shorts on?
EDRY, no volume, but that's pushing hard.
What is it?
EDRY.
DDRY. Okay.
That's all you.
Nah,
Risk taker.
nah, I don't like that. 136,000 volume.
Dude, it's up freaking $2 from the bottom, bro.
It is.
SINO. Is that a shipping? Yeah.
Yeah, I think they all are. I feel like they're just going from category to category at the moment.
Sorry, guys. GME isn't. Well, GME is working actually too. Right now, it's going up.
Like, doesn't it make you wonder, like, where all this random volume comes from with no news?
Unlike the shipping companies?
Just anything in general.
Yeah, I don't know, dude.
I should have stayed in Seed.
CATV, where are you going, girl? This is backside. I think we were wrong. Maybe. Honestly, bro, I'm having trouble calling the market. I'm not seeing when the volume's gonna come in. I gotta be honest with myself today. Look at EDRY halted up, dude.
I think tops would have worked. I was hoping for a push to 250.
The tops is falling and EDRY is halted up.
With an imbalance of 7.
Oh, God. This is gonna
Starting to
fall
think
out.
those imbalances are off now. They used to be perfectly on, and now it's like they're completely off. Look at the volume on eDry. Why are you even looking at that?
Might have shorts on it.
It literally has 170,000 for the day, and it was all within the last 4 minutes.
Tops is 4 million on that push. That's crazy. Just a ticker that I knew when I heard going off, so I looked at it. Why am I looking at GME when there's no way I'm going to trade it? Same reason. Seeing what he's doing.
Devin, I told you were going to trade SIEV today.
I got one on it. I didn't like it. What's
on
that?
that previous halt where it was halted and then opened up by 17, I wanted to short it, but E-Trade won't let me short anymore. Said no more shares. So.
Well, yeah, I knew you were off today. I just didn't know like what your plans were.
Trade in January of 2021.
TRX. I had a feeling I should probably hold on because I figured if it made this big move back down, the odds are it was going to go back down. But I'll be happy with getting out after the ride it took us on.
I'm making I too may be done for February or for January. So
A little early. A little early for February. I mean, I know it's a shorter trading month.
So I should probably
Might be a
trade.
little early to cut out on that.
I guess I'll trade a little bit of this, right?
Maybe once or twice, right?
Maybe once or twice.
Okay.
I meant to TRX. Am I hearing NM over and over again?
Yeah, there's no volume. It's halted.
Oh my god. Did you hear that?
What do you say?
GameStop short losses year to date $19.75 billion.
Why is he talking about my account?
Yeah.
But how much is the long game?
Probably more than the short game.
Oh man. They're replacing all of the power poles around here with like super tall ones to get above the trees. Every street is like the electric company and the police have every street blocked off. Not fun for deliveries.
No. So they
Park
did that
anywhere,
here over for the
drive.
summer.
CATV.
Be like New York City. Just put everything underground. You don't have to worry about it.
Yeah.
Oh, we're warmed up. We're up to 25 degrees now.
Dude, put your shorts on. Warm up the pool.
For anybody here, I'm going to cut this off at 11. I'm going to do the Friday night live stream tonight at 9 o'clock, so make sure you're here. We'll be doing another giveaway. Do them every week. You just got to be here to partake. Be drinking, having a good time, talking about the, last couple weeks. Obviously go over the trades from this week. And, yeah, we'll get at it tonight. And if I don't see you tonight, have a good weekend.
You're such an ass. I love it. I think I have to wait until like April or May to get to the 50. I gotta wait another 3-4 months.
I'm at SIEB.
Good luck, sir.
Thank
Go
you.
boy. Your average is 13-ish.
13 exactly.
Long or short?
Long.
Go to 27. Go to 27. That's a good number.
27 is a good number.
I wonder where I heard. Devin, did you hear the number 27 earlier today? I think I did.
I knew that's when you were in it.
Oh, yes, it was. Those were good times.
He just longed at $13.
Shut up!
You could have covered where he longed, and you would make his trade
Yep.
look like it did.
Oh my God.
I'm
Made
out.
$7 grand.
Apparently Tops is trying to go again. I knew I should have held some of that TRX. I feel like if it made that big ass move back down, it was definitely going to go back under $1. But after the ride it took me on, I'll just let it be.
You know how much I love shippers. Those are my favorite.
You used to play, DRYS back in the time? Back in the day?
I think those all went before we were around. Actually, I think the first year we were here, they tried to move, but then last year they didn't.
It was after the crazy one. It was after
Yeah.
the one where drugs went to $1 billion or whatever.
Well, right, yeah, we weren't around for that one, or at least I wasn't. But then it was like that first, when we first met, that was when they tried to move, and everyone was like, "Oh, all the shippers are going," like it was a big thing. But then last year they didn't do anything, because it's usually around Christmas time that they start to do it.
The first real short squeeze I ever remember seeing was RKDA.
All right, guys, I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna get out of here. I will see you guys tonight at 9 o'clock Eastern. If I don't, have a great weekend, and I'd see you Monday morning, but hopefully I see you tonight. Peace.